evening everyone and welcome to this exciting match between SRH and SRH from a rather unusual venue, and that's from home. Yes, let's have a quick look at the lineup for today. The fielders are out, the bowlers are ready. Each team will face 3 balls, and right then let's get started. Kane Williamson will face the first delivery. But oh, wait, there seems to be some delay. Kane wants to sip his own fine brewed coffee before we start the match. Meanwhile, Khalil is practicing his celebrations before he bowls. Confident this fella, huh? Kane gets off the mark with his back foot punch right into Vijay's corner. 2 runs for cool Kane. Next up, we have the President Nabi bowling. Rashid goes for the helicopter shot, but oops, a massive edge, and the ball runs away to the boundary. 4 runs. Basil has the ball. Next batsman at the crease is Superman Saha. Slower delivery from Basil, and what a catch! Abhishek Sharma takes that single-handedly in mid-air. The end of the first innings, and SRH has put up 6 runs on the board. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the second innings. SRH will bat. Bhuvi at the bowler's end. Warner opens the innings carefully, watching Bhuvi's strategies. Beautiful ball from Bhuvi and a wonderful strike from Warner. There is a fielder there. It's Rashid. Looks like he's hooked onto his iPad. Rashid, buddy. SRH is trying their best to get his attention. It has reached the boundary for a 4. Rashid is clueless and is in his quarantine zone. Srivatsa has taken some time off from the gym to come on strike. So has Natu, who has turned his rooftop into a home gym. It's in the air, taken! Sandy is the fielder. What a brilliant addition to the team from Kane. Next bowler is in, Sitkal, the pacer from Punjab. But he seems to be working out. Stay home, stay fit has become the motto of the risers. Vijay is impatient at the crease. Sid with a beautiful delivery, edge and caught. Superman Saha flying in the air for this one. Looks like there's major confusion on the field. Kane is back to another cup of coffee. Khalil continues to celebrate. Rashid is now with his family. Srivatsa has left the field to go work out, and Sid is lifting weights. Total chaos out here, folks. This is what happens when we play with custom rules due to unforeseen circumstances. We sure miss cricket and cannot wait to be back. Until then, stay home, stay safe, guys.